In this video, we'll be showing you where you can add sponsors or advertisers that you are not taking payment through your website for. You can use this feature for thanking a local business that may have donated a prize to your raffle or event, for example, or if you have sold the advertising space and have taken payment offline. If you would like to take payment for the advertising space, please see part 2 of this video in the description below. You must be registered on our premium plan to be able to utilise this feature. If you are not, please see the link to that description to learn more. First, log in as an administrator. From your main navigation, head to Admin, Sponsorship, and then select Add Sponsor from the Manage menu. We have an example already entered for us to run through. A modal window will appear for you to complete the sponsor's information. First, enter the name of the sponsor in the name field, and then select either primary or secondary from the sponsor type box. Checking the site sponsor box will show the sponsor's details site-wide. The description box is a free text field which lets you enter any more information you want to about the sponsor. If this is for a site-wide sponsor, then enter the start date and time and the end date and time. Then enter the contact details for the sponsor, including telephone number, email, website, and any social media. If they are a sponsor for a particular event or events, then please select them from the drop-down list shown. Add logos in the required sizes as shown. And then you would click the Add Sponsor button. If you need to make any amends, click on either the name or Edit Sponsor from the Manage menu. All sponsors will appear in your PTA under Sponsors. Your primary advertisers will appear in the banner across the top of the page, and event sponsors will appear on the event page. We'll now amend our sponsor to appear as secondary and click on the Update Sponsor button. And secondary advertisers will now appear on the right-hand panel. By browsing to your PTA and business directory, you can find all businesses that are advertisers and sponsors, and those that have registered to list in your business directory. They will appear here under the specified categories. And that's it. You can now successfully add sponsors or advertisers that you are not taking payment through your website for. Head to our other tutorials and FAQs for any further guidance you require, from setting up events to holding a raffle. Thanks for watching.